Oh man, that nigga in this motherfucker. I felt like Pat, man. Slapped the nigga with a pistol, like trying to put a charge on him. Crazy, shit crazy. Smoking on that pressure, motherfucker. Slapped that nigga with that pistol, now he tryna put a charge on me. I don't give a fuck, I got your bitch, you know she died on me. And I cannot trust these niggas, I know they be plotting on me. You already know I gotta keep my Glock main all on me. Just like I'm keep yo little bitch, all on my meat. You wanna go down? Hell yeah, that shit for sure, you know that G. Goddamn, I'm getting money, goddamn, I'm going in. Yo little bitch, you wanna fucking free my nigga out the motherfucking pen. Hey, white folk wanna see me up in that system. Man, they y'all tryna take my privilege. I don't give a fuck cause I'm too real. Nigga run up, try to take it, I'ma kill you. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I do not feel you. Yo little bitch wanna fuck with me, little nigga, cause she already know she don't fuck with you. Man, this shit right here so for real food, man. Hey, I really had to get it in. Hey, I been sipping on that motherfucker, walking, I been fucking on your bitch, then I fucked up friend. Hey, and then I already know I'm stacking up the money, my nigga, yeah, you know what it is. I cannot fuck with these little pussy ass nigga acting like this whole gangster when I know they ain't real. Hey, yo, I had that stack on my dollars. Get your little bitch from the back, make her holler. I already know that I keep that 9 on me, like Rondo, nigga, or $1. I don't give a fuck what you be saying. Get your bitch and you know she be laying. Get the shawty, you already know I'm the man. She know I'm that nigga, she know I'm the man. She know I'm that nigga, she know I'm the man. Hey, yeah, she know I'm that nigga. Hey, she know I'm the man. Hey, yeah, I'm stack up the racks, them hundreds, them 50s, man, bring up my land. Hey, yeah, she know I'm that nigga. Yeah, she know I'm that man. Man, I step in that hoe, and I got that pressure. The nigga be mad cause they ain't on my level. I get your little bitch and I treat the little hoe like a hoe cause she already know how I met her. Don't give a fuck what the fuck you be saying. Nigga be acting hard when I know they ain't. Yo, the bitch wanna be over here on my side. You already know what it is, little man. Man, I'm smoking on a fat ass blunt. You can keep your pressure, nigga. Hey, I got my own pressure over here. If you want to smoke, let me know, little nigga. Hey, that's all that I'm saying cause you already know what the fuck that I'm on, nigga. Y'all nigga funny, we gon' laugh at y'all pussy ass nigga. Y'all clown, y'all joke, nigga. Hey, yo bitch, she a hoe, nigga. Yeah, yo bitch, I'm goat, nigga. Man, you shoulda already knew about your hoe. You trustin' that bitch, that's a no, nigga. Hey, something that I just can't do. Hey, pussy boy, man, you know you a fool. Hey, don't become no gangster, don't become no crip, little nigga. Man, you know you ain't cool, fool.
Yeah. Run it up, Blondo. Run it up, Blondo.
Slap that nigga with the pistol, now he tryna put a charge on me. If I up this Glock, the nigga is gon' hit your artery. Your little bitch, she wanna fuck, you know that she be thotting on me. I don't give a fuck about what you say, cause these niggas, they ain't G. I'm that nigga, yeah, I'm the man, man. Yeah, I'm the nigga, yeah, bitch, yeah, I'm the man. Hey, hundreds and 50s, little bitch, man, break up my land, man. Yeah,